Like a stalker. You stand on my street to look like a stalker. Oh, you think my sister's so easy?
What's up, ZTE Nola?
We back with another video.
Yeah, I mean,
y'all clearly see it's snowing.
It's snowing
since
no,
probably
like,
2009.
Like it's snowing.
2010?
Like,
but it's
it don't do that in New Orleans. You know what I mean? It really do not do that in New Orleans. Like for real, it's snowing. You know what I mean? So for today's video, it's really a Nola snow day. So this video is gonna be called the Nola Snow Day video. You know what I mean? But stay tuned. We got more coming for y'all. You know what I mean? Stay blessed, stay humble. But yeah, well, it's not gonna be this. This gonna be the base for my snowman. Yeah.
All right, come on, eat. Get some ice in so we can throw it in there.
My son, you know what I mean? EJ, that's my son name. Just like me. EJ, he a junior. I know. My son hard.
Alright.
Hey, back.
Oh. Hey, stop! Stop with the fence. Fighting.
Okay, bro.
Oh, you got it. Come on, bro.
Pilot move.
I quit.
What's up, ZTE Nola again? We back. Right as you can see, it's snowing out here, y'all. It is snowing out this way. Look at this. Look at his car. Watch this. Y'all gonna get ready? Y'all ready? We gotta get Oreo. Yeah. Come on. Come on. My hands froze. But yeah, y'all already know. It was snowing out
I
this
was not
way.
bringing my iPad out here.
My hands froze. But yeah, I'm gonna give it y'all. Y'all probably see me by my brothers. I don't know yet.
Not the 86? Hold on, everybody get in the corner. Hold up.
Everybody take corner. And now everybody get them a snowball.
You know what I mean? Cause I'm ready. I'm ready.
Get a snowball, Trey.
I'm ready, one man.
Wait.
All right. Y'all, everybody ready?
Yeah.
Set. Go.
Oh, I think that's been his life, bro.
He's gonna get your ass. Oh, the camera getting fogged up. Now. Fogged up. Woo.
Make this bit more interesting.
How you still missed it?
Make this bit more interesting.
How you fuck?
Ooh, my hands getting cold, y'all.